The Mediterranean diet is often touted for its health benefits, but for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease, it's important to know whether the diet is gluten-free. So we have to ask, is the Mediterranean diet gluten-free? The Mediterranean diet is not specifically a gluten-free diet. Still, it can easily be adapted to be gluten-free by avoiding gluten-containing foods such as bread, pasta, and couscous and opting for gluten-free alternatives. The Mediterranean diet is a well-known eating pattern associated with numerous health benefits. It is a plant-based diet that emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil and nuts. However, with the growing popularity of gluten-free diets, many people wonder whether the Mediterranean diet is gluten-free. In this video, we will explore the relationship between the Mediterranean diet and gluten. What is gluten? Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, and it is what gives bread, pasta, and other baked goods their elasticity and chewiness. For most people, gluten is harmless and can be consumed without any problems. However, gluten can cause a range of health problems for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Who should avoid gluten? People with celiac disease are the most common group that needs to avoid gluten. Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder that affects the small intestine and can cause a range of symptoms, including abdominal pain, diarrhea, and weight loss. People with celiac disease must follow a strict gluten-free diet to avoid these symptoms and prevent long-term complications like malnutrition and anemia. In addition to celiac disease, some people may have gluten sensitivity. Gluten sensitivity is a less severe condition than celiac disease, and the symptoms are less clear-cut. However, people with gluten sensitivity may experience symptoms such as bloating, abdominal pain, and fatigue when they consume gluten. Is the Mediterranean diet gluten-free? The Mediterranean diet is not specifically a gluten-free diet. However, many of the foods included in the Mediterranean diet are naturally gluten-free, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Other foods, such as bread, pasta, and couscous, contain gluten but can be replaced with gluten-free alternatives like quinoa, rice, or corn. It is important to note that not all gluten-free alternatives are created equal. Some gluten-free products may be highly processed and contain a lot of added sugar and unhealthy fats. To follow a truly healthy Mediterranean diet that is also gluten-free, it is important to choose whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Benefits of a gluten-free Mediterranean diet. While the Mediterranean diet is not specifically gluten-free, following a Mediterranean diet that is also gluten-free can provide numerous health benefits. By choosing gluten-free alternatives like whole grains, quinoa, and rice, you can still get all the important nutrients you need. Many gluten-free alternatives are high in fiber and other important nutrients. A gluten-free Mediterranean diet can also help to improve gut health. For people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, avoiding gluten can help to reduce inflammation in the gut and improve symptoms. Additionally, a Mediterranean diet that is high in fiber and other plant-based foods can help to support the growth of healthy gut bacteria. A gluten-free Mediterranean diet can also help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. By emphasizing whole, unprocessed foods and healthy fats like olive oil and nuts, a Mediterranean diet can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Gluten-free foods for the Mediterranean diet. Fruits and vegetables. 1. Apples. 2. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 3. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits. 4. Tomatoes. 5. Spinach. 6. Broccoli. 7. Bell peppers. 8. Zucchini. 9. Eggplant. 10. Cauliflower. Protein sources. 1. Fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. 2. Poultry, chicken, turkey. 3. Lean cuts of meat, lamb, beef. 4. Eggs. 5. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. 6. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios. 7. Seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds. Dairy and dairy alternatives. 1. Greek yogurt, check for gluten-free options. 2. Dairy-free yogurt, almond milk, coconut milk. 3. Feta cheese, in moderation. Fats and oils. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. 2. Avocado. Whole grains and grain alternatives. 1. Quinoa. 2. Brown rice. Snacks and treats. 1. Hummus, with gluten-free crackers or vegetables. 2. Fresh fruit. 3. Nuts and seeds, unsalted. Note: always make sure to check labels and verify that packaged foods are certified gluten-free if you have gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, as cross-contamination can sometimes occur. In conclusion, while the Mediterranean diet is not specifically gluten-free, it can easily be adapted to be gluten-free by choosing gluten-free alternatives and avoiding gluten-containing foods. Following a gluten-free Mediterranean diet can provide numerous health benefits, including improved gut health, reduced inflammation, and a lower risk of chronic diseases.